Hi, today we will see 8th standard Sanskrit and this is 4th chapter called Dvau Dve Dve. Okay, what is Dvau Dve Dve? Here we'll talk everything about two things like two dogs, two children playing, two ladies singing, two girls doing something, they are reading, two cars, two flowers, like that. So, when we are dealing with two, that is Dvau. Okay, now here there are two talks. What did they say? Etau and Tau. Do you remember we did this in Kaha Kaki? Here it was. Here we did in Kaha Kaki. What did we see? Saha Prasadah. Do you remember? Here. Saha Prasadah. Okay. Then we saw he was far and Esha Asim. When we add A to it, it is near to us. You remember this? This I have taught in Kahakakim video. If you don't have not seen it yet, go to that video and please see that. Okay. So learning this will be easier. I'll go to the chapter again. Dvaudve dve, dvaudve dve, here. Okay. So here they are talking about uh, Etau and Tau, right? So Tau Balo, that is those are children. Okay, they, why I use those, because they are far from us. You see this hand shows you that these dogs are near, whereas this hand shows you that these boys are far. Okay, they appear smaller, so they are far from us. वो दूर है हमसे. वो दूर है, इसके लिए we say those. If they are near, I'll say these. Okay, so uh, those are children. Okay, next I'll first do tau, then I'll come to etau. Those are children. Tau balau, those are children. Tau khelatah, those are playing. Okay, tau, that is those. Khelatah is playing or they play. Okay, if you are using play, you need to use they. Okay, then kau khelata, who are playing? Tau balau khelata, those children are playing. Okay, then and why it is balau, why it is balau and why it is khelatah? You remember that? You know the endings? I had taught you this in Bhasha Sutram. There is one video where I have taught you Bhasha Sutram. I have also made one short in which I have taught what ending takes what. Why khelatah and why not khelati. Okay. Then now if I add a to this tau, it becomes a tau. Okay, and when a I'm adding, they are near to us. Okay, I have taught you that in kahakakim. So a tau shunakau, a tau shunakau. That is, these are. Wait, let me clear this. These are dogs. Okay, a tau khadatah. They eat, or these dogs eat. Okay, then kau khadata, who eat? Etau shuna kau khadata, these dogs eat. Okay, then next is ete and te. Okay, now why ete and te? Now you are dealing with females, na? So it is ete and te. Here they were males, so it was eta and tau. Now it is ete and te. Okay, ete gaike, ete gaike. These are singers. These two you can also say female singers. Okay, ete gayatah. These sing. के गायतः, एते गायिके गायतः, these singers sing. Okay, then this is te vidyarthinau. So those are, here I'll take te, na? So they are far, so it is those. Those are students. Okay, but they are female students, like they are girls. So it means you always in English you can say students, okay? No problem. Those are students. Then, or you can say those are girls, or no, it's okay if you say students also. They pathatah, they read. Hmm? Ke pathatah, who read? Te vidyarthino patata. Those students, this is those. Those students read, or those girls read. Okay. No. If you write girls, you will have to you write girls in brackets if you want, but this is students because this is vidyarthini, right? That is why. Then ete and te again, okay, because this is now neuter. So this was masculine, this was feminine, and now it is neuter. Okay, now ete vahane, because these are cars. These are cars. Okay, ete gachatah, they go. Okay, gachatah. What goes? एते वाहने गच्छतः. These cars go. Okay. Then te pushpe. Those are flowers. Te vikasatah. They bloom. Ke vikasatah. What blooms? Those flowers bloom. Those two flowers, if you write in bracket, no problem. Okay. Talikam Purayata. Okay, you're done with the chapter. This is exercise. So it was so simple. Now, Talikam Purayata. Now, Chhatrah Pathati. Hmm? So if you make it dual, it becomes Chhatra Pathatah. Hmm? Now, what did you do? Now, this was Chhatrah. It is like Devaha. Okay. Now, I have also taught Deva table in one video. Okay. Now, in that video, you will understand why Chhatraha becomes Chhatrav. Now, if you want, I'll give the link in description box, or I'll add the videos in last page of this video. But there, you will understand why Chhatraha becomes Chhatrav. It goes according to Deva table. It is like Devah, Devau, Devaha. Hmm? That is the table. So Chhatraha becomes Devaha becomes Devau. That is why Chhatraha becomes Chhatrav. Hmm? So Chhatra Patati, Chhatra Patataha. And if you are very much curious to understand why Pathati has become Pathatah, you will have to see one more video, because Sanskrit is very structured language. It follows rules. Okay. So Pathati becomes Pathatah because there is one video where you will see the table where Ti, Taha, Anti. You will always see if Prasadaha Dhavati it was, right? So we added Ti to the ending. Kah Kake. Now we are everywhere adding Taha because the ending was Ti Taha, and in another Ke Kurvanti we found Anti. Like that, Ti Taha Anti. Okay. So when it is singular, you'll get T as the ending, Patataha as the ending, Taha as the ending is dual, and many you'll get Anti as the ending. Okay, very simple. If you don't understand, you do one thing. You find the video of grammar in grammar section, very much explained, or here also in 8th standard playlist. You'll find this video where I have explained. Okay, now Vyagrah garjati. So it will become Vyagrav garjatah. Okay. Put a danda. Then next what it is? Marjarav pibatah. That is, and yes, I did not tell you, Vyagrah garjati is tiger roars. Okay. Then Marjarav pibatah. That is, cats are drinking. Two cats, okay? Two cats are drinking. Pibatah is to drink. So make it singular. Here it is singular. Here it is dual. So how will you do singular? You will say marjarah. That is one manzar, one cat. P b t. Okay. Then gajah gachati. Gajah gachati. So what you do? You add gajav. Add kana and two varmatra. That is gajav gachatah. Okay. T becomes tah and व्याघ्रह का व्याघ्रव छात्र का छात्र मार्जारह का मार्जारव गजह का गजव. Then purushau pashyatah. So you what will become purushah purushah pashyati. Okay. एंड ती जहाँ पे होता है उसको तह करना है तो पठति becomes पठतः गर्जति becomes गर्जतः पीबति becomes पीबतः गच्छति becomes गच्छतः and pashyati becomes pashyatah. Okay. Now this was shortcut which I told you. You need to rectify tables to understand the solutions. Okay. Next, Melanam Kuruta, that is match the columns. Gruham, Gruhe, very good. Tat, Te, Patram, Patre, Pustakam, Pustake. What was this? This was Gruham. It was singular. They are asking you to make it Dvivachanam. So this is Ekavachanam. They are asking you to make it द्विवचनम. सिंगुलर का ड्यूअल वैसे एक वचनम का द्विवचनम. सो ये इजी था बिकॉज गृहम का यू वोंट मेक पत्रे, ऑब्वियसली विल मेक गृहे. सो पत्रम का विल मेक पत्रे, पुस्तकम का विल मेक पुस्तके, लेफ्ट इज तत् का becomes ते. But there are few students who are very much curious to understand how gruham ka gruhe hota hai. So there is one more table, like you need to learn three tables. One is Devah, Devau, Devaha. First line you need to by heart. Okay. Actually the entire table, but here you need first line. Then one more table. Mala, Male, Malaha. Huh? And one more table. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vanani. Okay. So वनम के हिसाब से गृहम आता है. तो वनम का वने होता है द्विवचनम, वैसा गृहम का गृहे होता है. ओके. देन व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? तत्ते तानी. इट इज ऑल्सो लाइक वनम वने वनानी, और इट इज दैट देयर इज टेबल. ओके. तत्ते तानी का सेपरेट टेबल ही है. तत् इज दैट. देन पत्रम का पत्रे है, वैसे ही वनम वने, इट इज सेम. पुस्तकम का पुस्तके है, दैट इज ऑल्सो लाइक वनम वने वनाने. देन माला माले क्यों चाहिए? इफ वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट चाहिए ना, ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, उसके लिए माला माले माला टेबल लगेगा. नाउ आई नीड टू इरेज टू सॉल्व फर्दर क्वेश्चंस. वेट, व्हाट इज द फर्दर क्वेश्चन? चित्राणी आ लिखा तो is to draw. Okay. Now they are asking you to draw. So they are saying kamale vikasatah. Now kamale is like vanam vane. So you need to understand kamale is two lotuses. So you need to draw two lotuses and vikasatah. So they are blooming. So you basically draw two lotuses and say they are blooming. Like you had lotuses ka picture in kah kakim. Same you draw here. Then next question is nauke taratah. Nauke is two boats, like two boats you draw, and then you say they are floating. Nauke taratah, two boats are sailing. Then or floating you can say. Then meghav varshatah, that is clouds. Okay, you draw clouds and they are raining, so they are pouring rain. Meghav varshatah, clouds are pouring. Then Singhau Garjata, two lions you draw and then you say they are roaring. Okay, so you basically draw two lines as if they are roaring. Then Fale Patata. Fale Patata is you draw two fruits, and Patata like they are falling or they fall. Okay, it is one and the same. Okay, any two fruits you draw. Hmm? Then next is Chitra Varnanam Kuruta. That is, you need to write, seeing the picture. These are two females and they are writing, right? So what you say? So I had given you the table. Mala, फीमेल के लिए ये टेबल होता है. माला, माले, मालाहा. Okay, so you can say male. Oh, sorry, mahile, mahile, and then you're writing. You say likhatah, mahile likhatah. Okay, then these are two students, girl students who are dancing. So you can say vidyarthinyo nrutyatah, like that. Okay, where is nrutyatah? Here it is. Vidyarthinyo mayuro के जैसा. Nrutyatah. Okay. Mayuro nrutyatah. Did I do this? Mayuro is two peacocks and nrutyatah is dancing. So it was Mayuro nrutyatah, two peacocks dance. You need to draw two peacocks and show that they are dancing. So they are dancing or they dance is one and the same instances. I tell this many times. Okay. See, here it was Vidyarthinyo. Vidyarthinyo pathatah. वैसे you can write Vidyarthinyo nrutyatah. ऐसा. Then, these are two students and they are playing. So you write Chhatra Khelatah. Hmm? Then next, uh, these are two herrings and as deers and they are running. So you can say Ha Harinau Dhavatah. Hmm? Yes. So in this chapter you always do now एंड मतलब औ आता है बहुत बार और फले जैसा ए आता है एंड एंडिंग को तह 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 आता है. ठीक, वेरी सिंपल चैप्टर. सो वी हैव डन दिस. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू.